Hey guys, my name is Laser and welcome back to another video. So right now, Beeswarm, I'm just doing the real final showdown, trying to do that one. So I've got one more mantis, 4 more scorpions, 7 spiders and 3 werewolves. But if I leave the game and then come back in, you'll see why I'm doing this in a second. Beeswarm bayonet. Look down there. Down here. And it says... Ding! For 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 quests. So I've done honeybees, honey hunt, pumpkin pie, roses and weeds, blue pineapples, and pine tree forest 3. So that's what I did off camera, because I have a feeling that you don't really want to see me do that many, just grinding for quests. So brown bear, blue pineapples, roses and weeds, polar bear, and the honeybee. Honeybee, not honeybear. So firstly I'll go here, because obviously this is the closest. Nice job, did you use accessories? 2 more quests, royal jelly, 3 more quests, diamond egg. I mean, not 3 more, 6 more quests, sorry. Rose or quest? Or is it just rose? Pollen? Yep, it's just rose pollen. Hopefully, for example, brown beer or some science beer or whatever beer it is will give me a rose kind of quest. Or scorpions, because I'm trying to defeat scorpions right now as well. Enzymes and oil? 10 treats. And polar power. I don't know who enzymes and oil from him. That's quite neat. Trail mix, sunflower and pineapple. Not that helpful, but it's okay. It's not that hard, it's just 160 pineapple and 50 sunflower. And then jump down here. You. So the only ones I don't have quests for are Panda and Mother. Because Mother is impossible, Panda is Mother. Panda is Mother. Panda is impossible right now. And Double Bee Man is actually impossible because I can't get another present. So something enhancement in 160,000. So I think this is the last one I have a good thing for. So hand in the quest. Boom. 25 treats. Magic bean. Have they updated what they can give you? It used to just be royal jelly, ticket, and the honey. Not 25 treats and a magic bean. Welcome back. Mushroom. They're all different quests. Of course they are. So look, I can't do that one. Oh, honeybees, honey hunt. I can hand that in. And that will give me a boost thingy. What's it called? Wee, fly down here. Talk to honeybee, buzz, 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 buzz. 10 treats for the and the thingy. 30 minutes of 2 times instant conversion, and I'm never gonna get this done in time for the update. Honeybees, honey hunt, but this time quest badge hot shot. 1,500. I've done 500 and 1,000. So technically I've done 1,500. So technically I'll eventually do 2,500 if I get that one done, which will probably never happen. But at least get a little bit, which should count for something. I've got an 8. That should count. I've done so many, just 8 would be fine. Imagine if you do all these hard quests and it's a million, and then last quest only 8. That would be ridiculous. Wait, how many royal jellies do I have? I know I've been saving them 12. That's good. That's good. Very, very, very good. King Beetle. And he'll give me around 3 more. So 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh, and this. I'm gonna get a lot of royal jellies. I think around 20. Because this gives me 4. 3 extra for this guy. So 16, 17, 19. So close to 20. I need one way to get to 20 before. Oh, I'll just do the hand a bit. Pop the quit. Yeah. No, an hour. Fine, I'll just do quests and stuff and hopefully get royal jellies from quests. No big deal. So, what are you? You are... Oh, I know what beer you are, but like what thing? Mushroom. 15,000 of mushy room. Got a very mushy room right now. Mushy room. Boop, 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 boop. Why my character is so hard to control right now. Oops. Boop, boop. Is it done? Nope. Oh yeah, I'd hear the ding, so of course it's not done. Never heard a ding. Oh no, it's more of a bing than a ding. Bing! Instead of a ding, it's a bing. Bing ding, bing-a-ling-a-ding-ding. Whee! For some reason this is probably easier and quicker and more fun to just do that. Talk to Brown Bear. Great. Yeah. So, what should I do now? Royal jellies, because royal jellies are amazing. And hopefully I'll get a new bee. But the only way to get a new bee is 1, not get a legendary, and 2, not get another ninja bee. Or get a gifted version of something, because that would just be helpful. Yeah, so I've got everything, I've discovered every type of bee, except for demon, diamond, and ninja. And then obviously the events, but I'm not doing that right now. Yeah, wait, does it count if I have luck on right now, and then I do these? Will I be luckier? So what do I want to put it on? Obviously the Rascal Bee, Bubble, Bomber, Demo, Looker, Brave, Looker, Demo, Honey, Bubble, Hasty, Looker, Bomber, Baby Bee! I've already got him, but still it's a legendary. 4 more royal jellies. I got him just as that luck buff ran out. Oh, wait. I've got a cool right now. Okay, so just before I forget to do this, because I'm really forgetful, I found this. It's not really a glitch, weird thing, it's just funny. Anyone that's in the server... No, it's not there. There it is, see? Look. Oh, well... Okay, it might be a glitch because, it was just weird, it weirdly happened. There were 6, snails just spinning around in a circle like this. It looked funny, and I wanted to show you, but apparently it doesn't always happen. I thought that, if however many people on the server, it just stays there until it comes out. But apparently that was a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. And that was hilarious. Can I go through this? No, I can't. Ow! I can attack it from here? Well, I guess that's sort of cool. Ow! I'm stuck and it's hurting me. Ow! Help me. Oh, I wanted to go back in there so that I don't have to, like, kill myself. Wait, is there... What number is down there? A 5? Okay. I guess I have to just jump off the map. Yeah, so that's a weird glitch thing that I thought was funny. But apparently it doesn't work anymore. Yeet. Pizza Head. Oh, Pizza Shed. Your name would be better if it was Pizza Head. Just saying. So, back to the Royal Jellies. I'm going to do it on Hasty Bee. What I need a luck buff. That's what saved me last time. At like the very last second. So, where's my luck buff? I have 2 baby bees, so I should get 2 luck buffs. Which wouldn't help me and stuff, but like, still, they should spawn more often and stuff. I think we need to be in a field for it to happen on this year. So, oh, they actually are like full things and then when they're underground. Yes, there's a luck buff. For 30 seconds, there's a luck buff on. So Hasty Bee, transform into 2, Bumble, then Honey, then Stubborn, and Bubble. I already have one of you. Well, at least we got another baby bee. So, we've got one of everything, except for 3 ninja bees and 2 baby bees. And Ninja and Baby were the first 2 I ever got. So now I've got lots of honey, technically enough to buy another one of these paraglider things. But obviously I'm not going to do that. I can't do that. So I think I'm going to save up for... Oh wait, no, it's 3 million. I thought the first one was 7 million. Bye. Wait, I have no eggs to do something, and plus it's going to be a basic bee, so I shouldn't have used all my things. So I guess I'm going to have to buy... I just don't really care what bee it is. 1 royal jelly. I'm going to buy 1 royal jelly. Oh, I could have used 6 tickets, but I'd rather just use honey. Honey's easier to get than tickets. And then I'll also buy the basic bee. It would be amazing if... Okay, so it's 1 million, yeah. For a second I thought I didn't have enough, but I do. It would be amazing if it was a demon, music or diamond. So, oh yeah, I've still got those 2 slots, so I didn't even have to. But who cares? Oh, it was a red bee, but I don't really like red bee. Bumblebee. I forgot I already have 2 slots right there. Wait, do I actually have 25 bees now? 24. I kind of want to get 25 so I can go through that gate, but also I really want to go down here. Where are they? I thought they were here. They're up there. I thought they went to the spider field. Why don't you want to have a taste of the spider field for once in your life? Of course, you have to come to the 15 area, and I land in the 5 area. One more. Boom. Receive moon charms. Moon charms. Moon charms. Moon charms. What? Why are you standing like the most impossible spaces ever? I want this. And I also want this one. I want this. Oh, you stole it from me. Wait, where did they go? Wait, where did they go? Oh wait, no, they're still up there. Wait, what? Oh, it's probably in the like really annoying space there. In the most annoying space, of course it was. And then they land here, and I get them. Yay. Now they're gonna leave somewhere to go somewhere else. Where are they leaving to? Go to. I didn't see where they went, so I'm assuming they went to Pineapple Patch because like they might have just went through the wall, and that's why I didn't see them, and I can't even get up there. Yep, I think they did because he's trying to get there as well. Cool boy. Cool boy is not cool. So, I've got 74 tickets and 81 moon charms. Ooh. Okay. How many treats? 317. I need like 1,000, don't I? How did I complete that quest already? Wait, what is that quest even? What is that? What is... Oh! Wait. Yeah, I haven't even gotten a quest from him. I forgot to get the quest from him. Review. So what is that? It's something to do with pine tree, blue flower, 12 on the beaches. Hey, man, Tess. I don't want to do all that right now. Hello, Odette. Scorpions, are you ready for me to kill? It's been 16 minutes, so probably no. And I was right. How many more minutes? Probably 4. No, 50 seconds. That's amazing. So I'm gonna kill the 2 mantis up here. Well, did I call those mantis? I meant scorpion. Kill the 2 mantis up here. And then I'll go to the mantis over there. And then by that time, it should be ready. So die. Die, mantis, die. Die. Ooh, yeah. Link tokens. Link tokens are the best. Oh, I got 5 blueberries instead of just 1. Got 5. Yes, I'm gonna land on the 10. Just nearly. I was like, where is it? Where'd you go? So you gave me pineapples. So now go to the scorpions. Someone's in the server is called Uncommonly Strange. Okay. I guess you're strange then. Because your username is strange and it says Uncommonly Strange. So, hello, scorpions. I said hello. Leave. Go into Red HQ. Come out. Land in the field. Hello. Go to Mother Bear. Come back. Jump up here. Jump. Hello. Leave forever. Never come back. Walk all the way up here. And hello, scorpions. What took you so long? Like literally, what took you so long? You took forever. You took like 10 hours just to spawn. No, like around like a minute or 2 after it was time for you to spawn. And so, how close am I for it? This one is. So, 2 more scorpions. This a lot more spiders, and then 3 more werewolves. So that's gonna take a while. So instead, I'm gonna just do some questing. So, What one do I really want to... Oh, I'm just going to do this one because I'm in this field right now. Oh, I like that token. I really, really like that token. It's like the best token ever. No, I didn't get it. At least I got the luck one. Oh, I want that one. Yay. Why am I going so slow? Like, I am extremely slow. Ooh. How many level 7s do I have when I want level 8s? Like, I want 3 level 8s. And how many level 7s do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18. Wait, do you think I could... Obviously, I'm gonna say probably not. But do you think I can kill this guy? Let's land down in the hole. Oh, I landed perfectly in the hole. Wait for my bees, because they are extremely slow, except for my 3 ninja bees. Where are you? Cobalt bee came quicker. Okay, now they're all here. I'm gonna say probably not for killing him, but you never know. Oh, it's right there. Right, now I want to go on this side. I like going on this side. So, see you guys soon. Okay, it is actually very, like, impossible right now. So, when I found out, oh, we're going to make the tunnel smaller, I was like, wait, they haven't made the tunnel smaller. They actually have, look at this. So, it's all normal and stuff. There's a bear right there. But it actually gets really, really small towards the end. Look how small it's getting. Like, you cannot get past him when... Because, like, you used to just be able to go around him. But, like, he's that really big. So you can't just go like this and then go to the other side now. Like, that's impossible to do that. Like, look, I'm just going to fake do it with this guy's one. Dude, you're not going to be able to do it. Look how small this is. Dude, come here. Look how small this is. Keep walking. So, you have to try and get past him. So you have to go like that, but then it still won't work. Wait, is this mine? This is mine, and I'm going to die right now. Like, now, Wait, go to this side. Go that side. I can show you with mine, actually. And then you can't just do this. See, you just die. So, yeah. I really, really want to get in here. Like, desperately. I want to talk to Onet. And I want to do this parkour. And I want to get that 10 ticket token down there. So I want to do this parkour and get a free royal jelly, enzymes, talk to you. Even though I can't because I haven't done that other quest. But I can't because I don't have 30 bees, I have 24. And I'm just going to buy some tickets because I can. No, that's way too expensive. So, what should I do now? I have no idea. So I think if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to smash that subscribe button and hit that like button as hard as you can. Smash it with your cheese. So I will see you guys in another video. Good. Bye. I'm doing a weird movement right now. Bye.